Have you ever wondered what makes wolves the most successful hunters in the wild? Can wolves really be tamed, or are they forever wild? What secrets lie behind the wolf's haunting howl? How do wolves' social dynamics shape their survival? Are wolves as fierce as they seem, or is there more to their story? In this video we'll explore the wolf's remarkable characteristics, habits, and habitats. From pack dynamics to hunting strategies, we'll delve into the wolf's world, uncovering the truth about these majestic creatures. Get ready for a wild adventure as we embark on a journey to understand the wolf's place in our ecosystem. Dear viewers, all desires and traits bestowed by God have been shared with humans. In fact, after humans, animals have also been granted their fair share of these qualities. This is why, like humans, every animal is recognized by its unique characteristics. However, there are some animals that, despite possessing countless qualities, carry the burden of defamation in the world. And one of those animals is the wolf. Friends, wolves are often recognized as symbols of savagery and brutality. But by the grace of God, it has been blessed with so many qualities that can be easily seen in a well-educated, intelligent human being. And very few people would know these qualities of the wolf, which we will mention in our today's video. Ladies and gentlemen, the infamous animal, the wolf, has lost its true identity due to some discrimination, which in reality, along with being a national animal of the Great Turks, is an extremely well-organized, good-natured, and self-respecting animal. The wolf never touches the dead, which is because according to them, eating dead animals is an insult to the wolves as they belong to the royal family. Therefore, they consider eating dead animals to be a sin. In addition, friends, it is said that the wolf is not involved in marriage like other animals. That is, like other animals, the relationship of this animal with its mother, sister, and relatives is not established. While the wolf is an example of love and loyalty between husband and wife. That is, the male wolf has only one mother, and this relationship lasts until death. And if one of them dies, the other does not have a marital relationship with anyone else. However, after the death of one of the spouses, he raises his children and raises them alone. Viewers, the wolf is the only tribe of animals where feeding parents is considered an essential part of their life. Because when the wolf becomes weak and is only able to lie in one place, his children especially find prey for it and consider it their duty to feed it. This is why the wolf is also called the one who treats his parents well in the Arabic language. In addition, the most unique feature of the wolf is that it is the only animal in the world that can kill the ghost. Yes, friends, the most amazing feature of the wolf is that the wolf also has the ability to see ghosts in its sharp eyes. Seeing them, the wolf slaps it and kills it. Therefore, due to the ability of the wolf, the ghosts have to save their lives in the areas where the wolves are present. Friends, apart from this, the most important thing is that the wolf sleeps with one eye. And when the wolf sleeps with one eye, then it sleeps with the other eye. When the wolves are going from one place to another, they act as if there are 3 weak and sick wolves in the first row, while on the second number there is an elite force consisting of wolves. Its responsibility is on the sick and old wolves, which it checks again and again. Then behind them is a group of wolves defending the powerful enemy attack. After this, there is a large group, i.e. the general army, which disperses at the time of need and attacks. Then after this, a group of 5 wolves is also present in the elite force, and then at the end of the group, the commander of the group walks, who watches the caravan and walks behind that no one is unaware of his duty and takes care of the enemy from all sides. Friends, this commander is called Aleph in Arabic, i.e. 1,000, which means that he is equal to 1,000 alone. Dear viewers, there is a special lesson in this, which is a lesson for us that wolves also choose their best leader. Therefore, the Turks and Mongols love it, and it is also the national animal of the Turks and Mongols. Friends, I hope you liked the information given in this video. If you liked the video, like it, give your valuable opinion in the form of comments, and support us by sharing it on Facebook and WhatsApp to reach as many people as possible. And share this video on Facebook and WhatsApp with your other friends.